Awesome. So my name is Rishi Jain. I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar, and today on my talk show we have Mohan, who has been part of the first Digital Scholar batch that happened in Chennai in September 2019. And since then he has grown and become an international freelancer as such. So I'm so happy to have you on the Digital Talk Show, Mohan. How have you been?
Thank you, Rishi. Thank you so much for inviting. I'm so good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. I'm good. Thank you so much. I think it's almost 1.5 years since we have met, and
Yes, exactly. Long
yeah,
time.
I would love to know the journey right now. So, Mohan, before joining Digital Scholar, what were your skill set, or what you used to do basically?
So, Rishi, when I was searching for digital marketing before September 2019 and all, I came across Saurabh Jain sir's post and all blog and all. So there were so many listicles. I went to many other digital institutes in Chennai and all. It's called FITA, Digital 360 and all. So it was like I had a comparison, but I saw Saurabh sir's video and all on YouTube. So I was working in a corporate company that's in edtech sector, and I was also doing parallelly photography. I wanted to shift my career in something like I was much interested in digital marketing. So then I got this ad on Facebook saying digital scholar. Initially, like I was like, oh, should I invest so much money in on digital marketing and all? And then okay, fine, let me go try. And I attended the orientation class, and it was like top notch. Saurabh sir himself like explained what are all the things that we're gonna learn about digital marketing. I was totally convinced about that. And we started in September, I guess. So our first batch started in September. So it went on well. I shifted my career from photography to digital marketing, but still I didn't leave photography. That's the base of my marketing career. I've kept it as business photography. So I do profiling, video marketing mainly. I'm into video marketing right now. Yeah,
Right.
Rishi.
Awesome. Awesome. So now, what was your journey with the 3 months digital marketing course? Yeah, you were part of the weekday batch, which happened on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So, what was one skill set or one thing that was the most important thing for you to take away from the entire course that you were part of?
Yeah, I will be explaining it a bit longer. It'll take at least 2 3 minutes for me, like five
Definitely.
minutes for me to explain all that. So initially, when I was working in the company, I intentionally went to my manager and told some lies just to attend the class every day, from 6 to 7:30. Like, so I had to cut my day off and attend the class. So that's why I've been late for so many classes, but still I tried to manage it. Oh, initially, when coming into this, I had no idea about Facebook marketing. I didn't know that Facebook ads exist. So I just wanted to know what is digital marketing. So when I came attended a digital scholar first, you guys took me from basics to a level where I am very thorough about what is happening on Facebook, how is Facebook target working, mainly about in the real estate sector that you taught in the class, and even the people who were there with me in the class, they were like top notch, bro. Like they have so many skill sets, and it was very what satisfying to learn in digital scholar, and especially daily affirmations that we have. The I am a digital scholar.
Yeah.
That's a real good thing that I would like to say in this conversation. So basically, initially I was not so much aware of digital marketing and all the tools that was available. When slowly the transformation happened, where I learned the basics of how to build a website, how to have a good idea about Google Analytics and Google SEO, SEM. And later, I was much interested about Facebook and Instagram. When that came into play, I was so much into it. So, and all those interactive classes, I still have the photographs in my mobile. Like
Thank
you
you.
can even,
Yeah, it was definitely a lot of fun, the first batch, and then we did the
it was
second
not
batch.
even like a class. It was like a casual conversation in a class. And like, I seriously miss, even last few days back, Sauros sir updated a party pictures and all. I
Yeah.
asked her, why did you call us?
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
gonna
So
host
I
it.
I definitely love the dynamism that we had in the classroom, 16-year-old sitting on your left and 60-year-old, 16 to
Exactly.
60
Yeah.
people sitting on your left and
Exactly.
right. That was amazing. The kind of learnings that you get from people around you is also much more important, and that's something your regular college or regular school does not really provide you as such.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So after gaining the skills, how your life has been in the last 8 months. Of course, the lockdown came into picture. I'm sure there have been a lot of drawbacks. but I'm sure you were able to overcome that, and you right now do freelancing for local and international businesses. Would you like to share some insights on it?
Yeah, exactly. So it was a perfect time. Like, unfortunately, this Corona happened. We ended our class during Jan. So within even 3 months, the Corona thing happened, and I was like, first of all, I was shocked. Okay, fine. What are we gonna do? Okay, let me go try the international market. Where I also got in touch with Gigi sir. So he also, when my strong basics was from Digital Scholar, but further, I took advanced steps with Gigi sir. So it was a very good journey from freelancing with local clients, from Indian clients to international clients. I had the proper in our class also. We the last 2 days was about client pitching, how to package your service in a for the pricing that you give, how to package it and how to deliver it. The pitching was so good. We were like given real time examples and real time clients, and we were asked to present in the class. That
Yeah,
was a very good experiment that we had. So
right.
that exactly I replicated it, and I won 2 3 clients, and still I'm continuing with them for a long time. This Corona period particularly, I didn't have any backlogs or I didn't have any glitch or any blocks. I was just continuing with the market. Whereas I work with digital coaches, e-commerce business as well. So Corona time, I didn't face a big hit and all. It was a good time again.
Awesome. Awesome. So now, what is the kind of revenue that you've generated from your freelancing business as well? I believe you have quit your job. This is your primary business. This is something that you want to hardcore focus on, and you're hardcore freelancer right now. So, what is the kind of revenue that you're making out of the entire aspect?
Yeah, before that, I would like to mention one more thing. When on the day of our farewell from a digital scholar, I mentioned that I'm going to quit the job and take digital scholar. Sorry, digital marketing. I'm
Okay.
sorry. So I was actually afraid when I did that, but still, uh, you know what? It gave me a push when I started to pitch. I started with 20,000, 30,000, and parallelly also I was doing the influencer program which we have,
Right.
Instagram influencer program. So parallelly, I built my Instagram profile as well. I kept on updating. So I get inquiries through Instagram. Now I'm generating around 70, 75 per month.
Wow. Awesome. And this
And
is purely
one more good news. Like I just bought this
wow. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. I'm so happy
just
for
by
you.
freelancing, just by freelancing. I'm so thankful to Saurabh sir.
Wow, wow, wow. I'm so happy for you, Mohan. This is such an, heartfelt thing that, the students are doing amazing. And if you believe in yourself, I see it's not about, of course, we showed the way, but it was purely your hard work, your implementation, the wish that you had, that you want to do something for yourself. That's what makes you stand out from the crowd as such. 70, 80K per month generating organically is amazing as well. And, just single-handedly, right? No office, no employees, just you yourself, and
I just sit in my home and do my work. That's
you can
very
do
much
the work, and you're doing the work which you love, right? You just said you want to do
exactly.
the
Yeah,
advertisements for them, Facebook, Instagram. That's your expertise, and that's is what you want to do basically, right? So which is
exactly.
such an amazing thing and pretty inspiring for all the people as well. So how old are you? I think this is a little off question.
25.
Awesome, man.
Just
Awesome.
turned 25. Yeah,
Superb, just 25, which is
yeah.
amazing. So even I'm 25, so at the age of 25, we're doing something awesome. Yeah, which is
Lovely.
what the world needs today, right? We do not want to go into dead boring jobs and just work for somebody or something like that. We want to be our own entrepreneurs, and most importantly, do something of value for everybody as such. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what is one final advice that you want to give to people with respect to digital scholar, or anything that you wish that you want to that you've learned and you want to reach out to a lot more people? What is that one advice?
One thing I would like to know. First, initially, I didn't do the tasks that were given in the class, but I felt the seriousness of missing what the task was given. But what it's not an advice; it's just a friendly suggestion to everyone who's joining, who's willing to join Digital Scholar or something. Just do the task which is given in the class. That is more than important, more than enough to know what is happening in the field. That's a good thing.
Awesome. Okay, so yeah, people who did not know what he meant by Gigi is Gaurav Gurbaksani, and he's a very close friend of ours. He's also a associated trainer. He's a guest lecturer, so he teaches international freelancing for people who whatever skills they learn from here, basically can become international freelancers with the help of his entire product that we're going to be actually discussing together as such. Yeah. So also this batch we have e-commerce coming into picture. We have a lot of new modules that we have added to the entire program, and we've made it in depth as such. So definitely international freelancing is one of the most crucial factors that we're bringing into Digital Scholar. Yeah. Building our own marketplace. We have international marketplaces, and I think we can take inspiration from Mohan's case of how he's able to crack international client. I believe all the students here should be able to achieve that if they are willing to, right? So
Definitely.
thank you so much.
I'm very glad to know that you're getting associated with GG sir as well. And there's a big opportunity with him also after Digital Scholar. You have a very big marketplace where his vision is so good. Like India should be the capital of digital marketing. So
Definitely.
we have a very big opportunity place.
Definitely. And I believe you are also an amazing video editor as well. Would you like to share something about your hidden talent for people?
Yeah, so my core strength is about video marketing. If you see my Instagram profile, I love taking videos and all. Even like I've worked with you as well, like for our,
You have done the orientation video for
yeah,
Digital Scholar. For
orientation.
people who are watching the video, I'm going to be putting the link of the orientation video below, or it's available on the YouTube as well. You should see the kind of work that he has done. Amazing work on capturing the videos, as well as the editing part of it has been top notch. Yeah. So definitely, thank you so much, Mohan, for coming on such a short notice. And it was wonderful talking to people who have been associated with Digital Scholar and who have been doing amazing work in their fields. I'm sure we're going to be calling you sometime down to Digital Scholar as an alumni, where you can, inspire so many students who are going to be associated with us in the
Thank
future.
you. I'm humbled. I'm humbled.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Mohan.
much.
You've
I'm
been
quite.
amazing, and all the best for whatever you do, and good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm a
Okay.
digital scholar and I'm awesome.
I'm a Digital Scholar. I'm awesome too. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye.